Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting day because I get to share with you my thoughts about the new Huda Beauty Icy Nude Collection. Now this was gifted to me in PR. It's not yet available, but if you want to know more about this collection, let's get into today's video. So this was given to me in PR, this cute hat along with this entire collection. I have never seen a PR package like this, so this was absolutely exciting. I really find that Huda and her team really get this marketing and PR on point because it's always so exciting and it's something that you would never expect. Anyway, let me take you through what we get in this collection. So the first pamphlet says that this entire collection will be available on 20th October. It features an eyeshadow palette and apparently this is going to be the last big palette ever. Like why? I love her palettes and her formulas. Have you tried any? Let me know in the comments. I'm sorry, I digress. So you get the eyeshadow palette, you get a face gloss, you also get 2 blush filters and her famous faux filler glosses. So these are the shades that are available in the eyeshadow palette. It is ultra pigmented, easy to blend, and it has got various textures as well. So that's really exciting. So the blush filter that I reviewed previously, make sure you're checking out the video. Apparently they've come out with 2 bronzing shades, which is a bronzer and a blush together. The lip glosses come in 3 shades, which is glitzy, flirty, and fire. I'm going to be trying that too. And finally, this very interesting face gloss in the shade Frostbite. So now I'm just going to open up this bag for you. This is the eyeshadow palette, the face gloss. These are the 2 bronzers that I was talking about. And these are the lip glosses. I'm also going to do an eyeshadow tutorial, which will be at the end of the video. So these are the bronzers that Huda is launching. This shade is Latte and this shade is Coco Loco. This is the shade She Glitzy, She Flirty, and this is She Fire. And these are the faux filler glosses. This face gloss really looks interesting, but I'm really interested in the texture and how it will show up, especially because sometimes I do have texture. And now finally, I want to show you this eyeshadow palette. I love her large palettes because the formula is something else. And this is the outer packaging of the product. This is made in Italy. It has matte eyeshadows and it also has nude colors, browns, grays, pinks, and you also have very sparkly shades in here. So now let's open up this eyeshadow palette and see what it actually looks like. Oh my god, these shades are absolutely stunning. I've just dimmed down the lights a bit so you can have a look. Look at those colors there. It's more of a cool tone than a warm tone eyeshadow palette, I would say. So for any festival that's coming up, marriages, I feel that this is going to be absolutely stunning because you just have one palette to travel with and you get a lot of colors. So before we get into the products, I'm just going to remove this cap off my head because I don't want this to get colored. So the first 2 products that we're going to try are these bronzers. I'm going to apply the Latte shade on one side and the Coco Loco on the other. So according to Huda Beauty, these are a hybrid liquid blush and bronzer which should deliver a high impact color, but also it's lightweight and buildable. So just quickly, these blush filters are 21 US each. I'm just going to put it up on the screen for you so you know. So now I want to see how does this blush filter show up on this foundation. So it has the same doe foot like your blush filter. These doe foots really apply a good amount of color on the face. And now I'm going to be using my Unapologetic Beauty Angle Cheek brush and let's blend that out. And this is the shade Latte. Oh wow, look at that. Just 2 dots gives you that. Oh my god, this is stunning. Huda has just answered our prayers by giving us a bronzer. Wow. I'm just gonna put 1 more dot just so you can see it properly. I'm using the same brush. I'm gonna tap it on. It's really buildable like it says. And look at that. It's not looking patchy at all. It's given me a nice bronzy shade. And now let's go in with Coco Loco. I think this is going to be pretty deep. I'm going to start off with just 1 dot. I think that should be enough. And using the other Unapologetic Beauty Angle Cheek brush. Okay, wow. This has turned into a different color on my skin. I was actually nervous that I put on too much, but look at that, it's stunning. You'll have to just be careful because if you're a lighter skin tone than I am, it might be a bit too much for you. Whereas if you want something that's more everyday wear and build it up as much as you like, Latte will be perfect. So finally, this is how the blush filter is looking on my skin. Beautiful. So we're good with the blush filters now. Let's go in and try the face gloss. So this face gloss by Huda Beauty is a dewy highlighter. It's non-sticky and lightweight. And apparently it will change based on the pH of your skin. Let's see how this one is going to look on the skin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it with my finger because I just want to make sure that it feels rather interesting. I wasn't really expecting it to feel this way. And now I'm just going to lightly tap it up on my cheekbone there. Oh wow, this does look stunning. Oh my god. It's really not sticky at all. It looks a bit different at the beginning, but honestly, and it has not even lifted up any blush from my skin. And look at that. Oh my god. It's not looking oily. Don't mistake this for oiliness. It's just sat on the skin. It feels more like skincare, very lightweight. I really do like this formula. It feels a bit different. The next products we're going to try are these 4 filler lip glosses. So I'm just going to get rid of this shade here. So the first shade that we're going to try is She Glitzy. These ones are made in Italy too, and they will retail for 19 US. So let's go and apply this shade. Like you can see in the product here, it's given a very glossy look. It has a bit of shimmer. I would say this is more of a transparent, glossy, icy kind of look. It's not giving me any color on the lips. So I think if you just want an everyday quick look without any much pigment on your lips, this one will be beautiful. This will not be transfer proof, obviously, because it's glossy. It's not sticky. It's comfortable. This is the shade She Glitzy. Now let's apply She Flirty. This looks like more of a peach kind of color from the packaging. But again, let's apply it on the lips and see how it actually looks. So this one has slight pigment to it. It has more of a peach kind of look on me. I think I might have to use a bit of a brown liner to just make my lips stand out. It's the same kind of formula. It's not sticky, not heavy. But this is how She Flirty looks. And now we're going to try this beautiful shade She Fire. Wow. I really wanted to try this because look at this. Oh my god. This is going to be my new favorite. It's like the perfect brown for us brown skin girls. I don't know. I'm speechless. This is beyond beautiful. And this is the shade She Fire. And now that you waited for so long to see the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to share with you the swatches, and I'm also going to do an eyeshadow tutorial for you. So let's get into that as well. And there you have it, guys. That's the entire video on the Icy Nude Collection by Huda Beauty. If any product caught your eye, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.